So if you're downsizing and you're looking for a 2-bedroom bungalow in the Lower Early area with a garage, check out Salesy Way. So you've got to be open to a project though, because this one needs updating throughout, but once it's done, it's going to be a lovely, lovely home. It's got a decent sized garden, catching that lovely afternoon sunshine too. So what I really love as well with this one is it's set back from the road, so it just makes it a little bit more private back here too. Just under half a mile you reach Asda Superstore and Chalfont shops for all your essentials and your afternoon coffee. Also, this one is sale ready. That means solicitors are already engaged, the search is already pre-ordered for you, and there's no onward chain. So if you like what you see and you think this 2-bedroom linked detached bungalow is for you, do get in touch with us quickly at the office, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number right here, and we can't wait to show you around. See you soon.